number 1, warm up is necessary. Perform a 3 to 5 minutes of warm up. You can also go to 7 minutes or 10 minutes, but warm up is essential. The idea of doing a warm up is that it increases your blood flow in your heart, in your brain, and it prepares your body, your muscles for the workout. No matter what, you must do a warm up before this exercise. Rule number 2 for jump rope. Perform jump rope as per your capacity, your capability, and your habit. If you are in the habit of performing jump rope, then you can do this workout easily. If you are not in the habit of performing jump rope, start slowly. Perform bodyweight exercises in this workout as per your capacity, your capability, and your habit. If you are in the habit of doing bodyweight exercises, you would be able to perform the bodyweight exercises as a part of this workout. If you are not in the habit of performing bodyweight exercises, please perform the exercises which are mentioned here as per your capability and capacity. Go slow on yourself. Rule number 4, strength training exercise. Perform strength training exercise as a part of the workout as per your capacity, your capability, your age, and your habit. If you are in the process of performing strength training regularly, then you would be able to perform these strength training exercises as a part of the workout. If you are not in the habit of doing strength training exercises, please go slow on yourself. Start with the light weight and go slow on yourself. Number 5, hydrate yourself during the workout. Keep drinking water during the workout. Keep hydrating yourself. Rule number 6. After you perform the workout, please do a cool down. A cool down is stretching your body muscles, relaxing your body by doing some static stretching moves. Cool down is also important after this workout.